Good morning everybody and welcome to another little YouTube video or even a Facebook video or Insta or wherever you see this. This is the kind of video of the video. Right, okay. So I saw from a friend who put on the other day, shared it on, I believe it was Instagram, a little video of him explaining how he works at a dealer and they get allotted times for jobs. And no job goes as straightforward as what you think it does. So you get given a allotted time, say an hour for a certain piece of work, but that doesn't take into account seized bolts, snapped bolts, or just anything that is untoward. They assume every bike is brand new and all the tools are at hand and everything's readily available to do it. So I'm just going to show you a little example on this BMW that I've just taken in. We're having a look at the tracker today. There's an issue with the tracker. We're going to find out why it's not working and maybe have to install a new one. I just bought it, so I'm going to take it apart and have a look at the tracker. But I thought I'd show you this while we're in there. So as I was just saying, so can you see that? Somebody's been in here before. So I've got to take the grab rail off to get the bodywork off, to have a look at the wiring and everything. I obviously can't show you. I can't show you any of that. So we don't show where any of the security devices are fitted or how they're fitted. But we do them. We fit the alarms, the tracker units and everything else. But to get into the unit, into the wiring and assess it and find out what's wrong with this one before we maybe replace it or repair it. That little varmint there, a fine example of nothing's as straightforward as it seems. So somebody's been in here before, tightened the luggage rail up, obviously. It is tight, it's solid, but snapped their torque bits off. So I've got to get that out. Hopefully it should be straightforward, but that's got to be get out before we can even attempt at beginning the job. But clean machine, we'll give it a good check over and make sure there's no other sockets or bits of bolts hanging around in there that shouldn't be. Got it out. That added at least another 3 minutes to the job. So there you go. Did that show it? I don't know. There it is anyway. So whoever the previous lad or lass that worked on this BMW, if they want their little bit of torques back, give me a call.